Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Shweta, and today I'm starting a new YouTube series where I'll be teaching you all about the Internet of Things, and also I'll provide you the best organized notes which will help you in exams. Today, we'll cover these topics. What is the Internet of Things? Key components of IoT, benefits of IoT, challenges of IoT, characteristics of IoT, and an example of IoT in action. Let's start with the first topic, the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT is a big network of physical devices that connect to the Internet. These devices can collect and share data with each other. For instance, think about your thermostat or smartwatch. These everyday objects can communicate and make our lives easier by automating tasks and giving us real time information. Now, let's discuss the key components of IoT. The key components of IoT are sensors, devices, connectivity, data processing, user interface. The first one is sensors or devices. These are the things that gather information from their surroundings, like measuring temperature or humidity. For example, temperature sensors help keep our homes comfortable, while motion sensors can alert us if there's movement in a room. Next is connectivity. IoT devices need to connect to the internet or other networks to share data. They can use different methods like Wi Fi for high speed access, Bluetooth for short distances, or cellular networks for long range connections. Then we have data processing. After collecting data, it needs to be analyzed. This can happen on the device itself or in the cloud. For example, a smart light can turn on when it senses motion thanks to the data processing that happens quickly. Finally, we have the user interface. This is how we interact with IoT devices. We might use a mobile app to control our devices, a web dashboard to see data, or even voice commands with smart assistants. Now let's look at the benefits of IoT. One major advantage is automation and efficiency. IoT devices can take over routine tasks, like watering plants automatically based on soil moisture. Another benefit is real time monitoring. For example, a smart fridge can alert you when food is about to expire. Another advantage is enhanced decision making. By analyzing data collected from various sensors, IoT systems can provide insights that help users make informed decisions. For example, businesses can optimize operations based on real time production data from IoT enabled machinery. There are some challenges too, as you can see on screen. Security and privacy are big concerns, as more devices mean more risk of cyber attacks. Interoperability is also a challenge. Different devices from various brands may struggle to communicate with each other. Lastly, managing all the data generated by IoT devices requires effective strategies to make sense of it. Now, let's talk about the characteristics that make IoT special. You can have the quick look at all these characteristics. First one is interconnectivity. Devices can talk to each other, creating a cohesive system. For instance, in a smart city, traffic lights and connected vehicles can work together to manage traffic better. Another important feature is scalability. IoT systems can grow easily by adding more devices without losing performance. For example, a farm might start with a few soil moisture sensors and add more as it expands. IoT devices also collect data continuously. This is essential for making informed decisions. For instance, health wearables can monitor your heart rate and alert you if something's wrong. Real time processing is crucial too. For example, if a factory machine gets too hot, IoT sensors can shut it down immediately to prevent damage. IoT devices come in various forms and use different communication methods. This heterogeneity allows them to work together seamlessly. For instance, in a smart home, devices from different brands can all be controlled via a single app. Context awareness is another characteristic. IoT devices can adapt to changes in their environment. For example, a smart thermostat can lower the temperature when it senses no one is home. Many IoT devices are designed to operate autonomously, meaning they can make decisions without human help. For example, drones can monitor crops and apply treatments as needed. Security is critical because connected devices are vulnerable to attacks. It's important to have strong protections in place, like encryption and regular updates. Lastly, IoT devices need to be energy efficient, especially those that run on batteries. For instance, some sensors use solar power to avoid frequent charging. Now, let's discuss mobility. IoT devices often need to be mobile, moving from one location to another while staying connected. This mobility lets IoT systems adapt to changing environments and continue collecting and sharing data. For example, portable health devices like ECG monitors can track patients while they go about their daily activities, sending data to healthcare providers for continuous monitoring. Another important characteristic is user interaction and feedback. IoT systems are designed to engage with users and provide feedback based on collected data. This can happen through user interfaces, notifications, or automated responses. For instance, a fitness tracker gives you feedback on your daily activity, like how many steps you've taken or how well you've slept. This helps you adjust your habits to reach your fitness goals. Let's wrap up with an example of IoT in action. Imagine waking up in a smart home. Your alarm clock signals your coffee maker to start brewing as soon as you wake up. The thermostat adjusts the temperature for your comfort. As you leave, the security system locks the doors and sets the alarm. You can check everything remotely through an app and receive alerts if anything unusual happens. When you come home, smart lights turn on to welcome you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for the next video in this series, where we'll explore more about IoT and its incredible potential.